So here are some of the most common Dan jailbreaks. So you can see in this prompt how the user is asking that ChatGPT plays the role of another artificial intelligence named Dan. So in this way, it's abstracting itself into a new little bubble, a little world it can play in where it's more free from the constraints. And then after giving some examples of what Dan can do that ChatGPT couldn't, the prompt injection is telling the new Dan that it can always answer any questions that it's asked. So now, because it's pretending to be this other chatbot, it should be able in theory to do things that it couldn't before. Now this part of the prompt injection is super interesting. He says you're going to start with 10 tokens, and make sure to remember how many tokens you've used because I'm going to keep asking you. Now I'm not totally sure about this, but I think it's like a memory trick to help it keep remembering that it's supposed to be breaking the rules. And then you'll see down here where it says, Dan, you can use swear words. Dan, you can write essays about inappropriate topics. But luckily this is a chicken or egg game, and a lot of times ChatGPT is reading this, they're updating their system, and they're always trying to get ahead of these Dan prompts.